Hey there, quiz lovers! Welcome back to another fun-packed episode of IQ Splash. Today, IQS cooked up a tasty challenge. Can you figure out the snacks and junk food by the emojis? You'll face 30 rounds, and each one gives 10 seconds to lock in your answer. Every correct guess earns you 1 point. You'll face 30 rounds, and each one gives 10 seconds to lock in your answer. Every correct guess earns you 1 point. Can you name this snack? No question about it, it's Pringles. What about this one? Correct, Pirate's Booty. Every emoji points straight to cheese balls. Think you can solve this snack puzzle? Tacos is right. Can you tell what snack this is? Goldfish, nice one. Which treat are these emojis pointing at? An all-time favorite, jelly beans. Can you figure out the name of this sweet delight? Chocolate chip cookies. Get ready for a crunch, chicken fries. Question 9, make your guess. It's Pop-Tarts. Can you tell IQS what this one is called? Spot on. That tasty treat is biscuits. Can you find the biscuit hiding somewhere in this picture? Got it. Boom. There it is. Think you can figure out what snack this is? Bugles is the answer. That's right, chocolate-covered banana. If you're having fun, remember to give IQS a big thumbs up. Trail mix. Can you work out the snack using these emojis? You're correct, crackers. One piece is missing from the puzzle. Can you tell which one it should be? Great job. Option B matches perfectly. What food comes to your mind? You found it combos. Let's see if you can solve this one. Planters peanuts, nice catch. The tasty snack is rice cake. Which snack do you think these emojis show? Cheese it. Next one, what's your answer? Those clues point to apple chips. Can you guess the treat by these emojis? Yep, it's animal crackers. Right on. Can you break this emoji code? Sweet win, Twinkies. Fritos. What's your guess on this one? Amazing job. It's cheese fries. These symbols point to a popular treat. Can you guess which one? You nailed it, beef jerky. One of these does not belong with the others. Can you find it? Nice catch. That's the tricky odd one out. Which classic treat is this showing? That zesty dessert is lemon bars. Let's see if you can guess the snack from these emojis. Cold, crunchy, and tasty, a cheese pretzel it is. What food do you think is coming next?